This is the diesel engine. Look at the throttle and positive interface. First, open the throttle a little and fix it. This is the decompression valve. This is the positive interface. Any other screw or structure can be used as the negative electrode. This is the electric start button. This is the decompression valve. This is the power wire. Connect the positive and negative interface like this. Connect the other end of the wire's positive and negative on the vehicle's battery interface like this. Press the electric start button while opening the decompression valve. You can start the engine easily.